Dear student, welcome to my channel Math from Basic. Dear student, I have to solve practice now 9. In practice now 9, he is giving us some application of LCM and HCF. He is telling us that where we can use the method of LCM and method of HCF to solve our daily life problem. Now the first problem, he is telling us that three bells toll at a regular interval. There are three bells. They are ringing at proper interval, one after the other, of 15 minutes. First one bell rings at 15 minutes, then 16 minutes. Other bell rings after 16 minutes, and third one 36 minutes respectively. You should mean that one after the other in proper order, that is called respectively. Given that, he is telling us further that they toll together, they ring at 2.00 p.m. Here means post meridian, that is usually evening time, that starts after 12 at the mid day. At what time? At what time, he is asking us, tell us time. Will they next toll together? That when all the three bells will ring at the same time, there will be no gap in between, and all the bells will ring at the same time. When they are asking about lowest common multiple, or when they are asking about same interval, you will use usually LCM to find such type of to solve such type of problems. As you know that in LCM we have to find least common lowest common multiple, and in lowest common multiple you have seen in our problem solving that when we have to find common of all the numbers. As we know that we have found common multiple of 3 or 2 numbers, then we get same interval. Here if we find multiple of 15, 16 and 36, and we write all the multiple together, and we find the first common multiple of these numbers, then we will get the interval when they ring at the same time. But if we use table method, that is quite laborious, and that is a quite longer method. So we can use any method that is smaller one, that usually in Pakistan we use. So I am using method of division to find LCM here. Then I will start my calculation. This one I am writing here intervals of three bells. The intervals given here are 15, then 16, then 36, and these are in minutes. These are in minutes. And he has also given us that they toll together at 2 p.m. First ringing time, I will write here first ringing time. First ringing time is given here 2 00 p.m. and then at what time will they ring next? We have to find here next ringing time, that we have to know. We know that we should solve it by taking its LCM. So I am going to take LCM by my usual method, that is by division method. Take its LCM, find the prime number that is common in one of the number, Prime numbers are those numbers that can be divided by any other number. 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11. Such type of numbers are prime number. I am taking first prime number, that is 2. It can divide 16 as well as 36. 15 will be left as such. Now 16 will be divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. 8 will be your answer. When 36 is divided by 2, you can divide like this. 2 1s are 2. 1 will be remainder 6 here. 2 8s are 16. You will get 18 as your answer and 0 should be remainder. So 18 will be written here. Now divide by 2 again, because 8 can be divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 18 can also be divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now divide by 2 again. 2 2s are 4. 9 will be left as such. 15 will be left as such, because they can't be divided by 2. Now again divide by 2, you will get 1 here and 9 again. Now divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 will be left as such. 3 3s are 9. Again by 3. 5 will be left as such. 1 will be left as such, and when 3 is divided by 3, you will get 1. Now we can divide it by 5 only. 1 here, 1 and 1 here. As there are at the end only ones, so we should stop here, and our division method is completed. Now we will take LCM by taking the number that we have got by division method. LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 1 2 3 4. 4 times is 2 here. 3 is 1 2 3. 3 time 2 is 3 is 2 time, and then there is 5. 5 is 1 time. Dear student, count these are 7 and these are also 7, so we are right. Now multiply these. I am making group up to here. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Up to here it is equal to 16. Then 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. Then 45 you can write as 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 5 3s are 15. 15 3s are 45, like this. Now 45 and 16 should be divided separately. 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 27. First one is class. 1 5s are 5 and 1 4s are 4. Add these 0 here. 7 plus 5 makes 5 makes 12. 2 plus 4 makes 6. 1 of carry makes 7. Dear students, 720 is our LCM. These are minutes, because our data was in minutes. So this is answer in minutes. Now dear student, you will see that our LCM is minutes, but we have to find calculation in hours, because here he has given us that at 2 p.m. first it was ringed. Now we have to find hours of 720 minutes. We will see that how many hours are there in 720 minutes. For this we should remember that we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. As 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then how many hours will be there in 720 minutes? We have to know this. As we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and we can know that 1 minute is equal to 1 over 60 will be here, because 60 is multiplied on this side, it will move on this side and it will be divided. So 1 will be divided by 60. So 1 over 60, 1 minute will be 1 over 60 hours. Dear student, it means that to get 720 in hours, we should multiply this 1 minute multiply by 720, and we also have to multiply 720 on the other side. 1 over 60 will also be divided by 720. Simply we can say that 720 over 60. 720 when multiplied by 1, you will get 720, and over there is 60, so you will write it by 60. So 720 when multiplied by 1 minute, it will become 720 minutes. In this way you will know that how many hours are there in 720 minutes. So 720 when divided by 60, you can see here that 0 can be cancelled out by 0, and you will divide 72 by 6, then you will get its answer. So divide 72 by 6 only, because this 0 can be cancelled out by this 0. So 6 ones are 6 here. From 7 subtract 6, you will get 1 and 2 here. 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 0, and this 12 is our hour, and we have converted 720 minutes to hours. 12 hours are here. It is meant that 720 minutes is equal to 12 hours. Our LCM is 12 hours. Now dear student, to get next ringing time, we will add this 12 hour to 2 p.m. so that we can get next ringing time. So in 2 hours, I am solving it here. That is 2 p.m. We can write it as 200. You can write it 0 here. Now 12 will be added in it. It will become 0 0, and 2 makes 4, 1 here, 14 hours. And dear student, now you know that there are no 14 hours in AM and PM. It is only in 24-hour time, but here we are using PM method and AM method. So our PM time will be converted to AM time when it has become 14 hours. So you will subtract 1400 by 12. You will subtract 12. It means you will subtract one half day from here. I am subtracting 12. It means I am subtracting half day from here. So you will get here 0 0 and 2 here. It is next day, because after PM, it means that after 2 p.m. in the evening, when you add 12, you get that it is 12 of midnight as and 2 hours further. It means that it is 2 a.m. now. You will write here AM. because next day has started, as we have subtracted 12 here, it means that next day has started, and you will write here 2 a.m. on the next day. So from this discussion, our answer is, dear student, our answer is 2:00 a.m. Dear students, see it's question number 2, practice now 9. Farhan has 3 pieces of rope. Farhan is a boy. He has 3 pieces of rope like this, with lengths of 140 centimeter. One piece is of length 140 centimeter, other piece is 168 centimeter, and the third one has length 210 centimeter. All these 3 pieces, he is telling us that he wishes to cut all the 3 pieces of rope into smaller pieces of equal length. He wants that these pieces are of different length, but he want that he should cut every piece into smaller pieces, and the smaller pieces should have same length. Smaller pieces should have same length such that there is no leftover, and there should be no remainder. Any part should not be wasted of these ropes. So he want to cut these. We have to tell him that what is the greatest possible length of each of the smaller piece of rope. If he cuts all the 3 pieces into smaller pieces and there is no leftover, we have to tell that how much greatest length should be of his smaller pieces. It means that we have to find here HCF, so that we can get that each of his smaller pieces is of greatest length, and there is no wastage of any rope. And the next part, he is asking us that how many smaller pieces of rope can be get all together, and how many smaller pieces will be there when he cuts 140 centimeter, 168 centimeter, and 210 centimeter. Because 3 pieces will be cut down, and how many pieces will he obtain from all these 3 pieces, we will tell him about this in the second part. Now let us solve this, and we know that greatest possible means here we have to find highest common factor. It means that we have to find HCF here. So I am going to solve it. Dear student, 3 pieces with their lengths, 3 pieces are of rope 140, 168, and 210 centimeter of length. I am making these 3 pieces with the approximate lengths. For example, my first piece is this one. Its length is 140 centimeter, and other piece is 168 of length 168. It should be a bit longer than this one, and its length is 168, so I have made it a bit longer than this one. Now there is a third piece that whose length is 210 centimeter. I have made it a bit longer than second piece, and that's length is 210 centimeter. Now let's call these. This one is first piece, first. This one is second. This one is third. And we have to cut these into smaller pieces. It means that we should cut in smaller pieces. The piece will be less than this one also, because we have to make all the pieces of same length. It means that if he cuts like this in this length, he may get all the pieces of equal length. From it he can cut smaller pieces to some number, and from this one he will get a lot of pieces, and we will count these pieces also. Now if we want to get that such pieces should be of same length, and these pieces can be cut into that one. We have to find HCF, so I am going to find HCF, and I am adopting the same method as I take LCM, but should remember that when you are taking HCF by division method, that is smaller than any method, you should remember that you will take your divisor as prime number. It should be prime number and it should divide all the three numbers. I am taking 2 because 2 can divide 140 as well as 168 and 210. If 2 can't divide any single number, I will not take 2, because here we are finding HCF. In case of HCF, you should remember it that 2 should divide every of this number. So when 140 is divided by 2, you will get 2 sevens are 14, 7 here and 0 here, 2 8s are 16, 8 here, 2 4s are 8, 4 here, 2 1s are 2, 0 will be there, then 2 5s are 10. If you don't know this type of division, I am going to divide it here. When you divide 210 by 2, you will see that 2 1s are 2 here. After subtracting, you will get 0 and 1 will be here, as 1 is smaller and we have to get 0 also. You will write here 0 as well, because you are taking 2 digit here down. Now 2 5s are 10, you will write here 5. Your answer will be 0. 105 is our answer here. Now you will choose such a number that can divide all these at the same time. That should be a prime number. Now dear student, we will try different prime numbers to get a divisor of all these three numbers. If we divided by 2, 70 can be divided by 2, 84 can also be divided by 2, but 105 can't be divided by 2 because 5 is at the end. Now divide by 3, 3 can't divide 70 because you know that 3 2s are 6 and 10 can't be divided by 3. And now 4 we will not try because 4 is not a prime number, and 4 after 4 5 can divide 70 and 5 can also divide 105, but 84 cannot be divided by 5. Now you will try 6, but you will not try 6 because 6 is not prime number. Now you will try 7. 7 is a prime number. 70 can be divided by 7 and 84 can also be divided by 7 because 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. 105 can also be divided by 7 because 7 ones are 7 and 35 there, 7 fives are 35. You know that we can divide these by 7, and as we have to pick only such prime number that can divide all these three, so 7 is the prime number that can divide all these three. 7 tens are 70, you will write here 10, and 7 ones are 7, and carry will be 1, 14, 7 twos are 14. Now 105, 7 ones are 7 and 3 will be your carry, and 3 after 35, 3 with 35 it will make 35, so 7 fives are 35, you will get here 15. Now you will see that no number can divide by same prime number because 10 can be divided by 2 and 5, but 12 can be divided by 2, and 2 can't divide 15, and 5 if we try 10 can be divided by 5 and 15 can be divided by 5, but 12 is not divided by 5, so there is no any number that can divide these, so we will stop here. It is our HCF. HCF is 2 multiplied by 7, so you will write here HCF is equal to highest common factor, that is 2 multiplied by 7. 2 sevens are 14. This was our first part answer. First part was that what is the greatest possible length of each of the smaller piece of rope? So that length is 14 centimeter. It means that the length of smaller piece that can be the greatest possible length, that is 14. This one will be 14 centimeter in length. Now if we cut these in this length from 140, how many pieces will you get? Divide 140 by 14. You will get, if 140 is divided by this 14, 14 ones are 14, this 0 will be here, 10. You will get 10 pieces. It means that this longer piece will give us 10 pieces of this length. I am marking here this one piece, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am marking here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I mark one point here, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and mark one point here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 pieces, 140 will give us 10 pieces of 14 centimeter length each. I can write here 14 centimeter. This one is of 14 centimeter. This one will also be of 14 centimeter. This one also be of 14 centimeter. And so all these are of 14 centimeter, like this. And from this you will also get pieces of 14 centimeter length. How many pieces you will get? You will divide 168 by 168. I am going to write here 168 divided by 14. You will get the answer 168 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14. From 6 subtract 4, you will get 2, and 18, 8 here, and 14 twos are 28. Remainder is 0. 12 pieces. From this rope you will get 12 pieces. I am making 11 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now there will be 12 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pieces from this rope. Each is of length 14 centimeter. Everyone will be of length 14 centimeter. You can write, or you, if you don't want, you should not write. These are how many pieces? Here are 12 pieces. From here we got 10 pieces. From here we got 12 pieces. And from here how many pieces we will get? Let's divide it also by which number? Again by 14. That is 210. Divide 210 by 14 again. Then 14, that is 21. 14 ones are 14 here. From 11 subtract 4, you will get 7. From 11 subtract 4, you will get 7, and 0 here. 14 how many time? 5 time. 5 fours are 20, and 5 ones are 5, and 2 7. Remainder 0. 15 pieces from here. From this rope you will get 15 pieces. You will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pieces from this longer rope. He has got how many total pieces? Because in the second part he was asking us that how many total pieces he got. So you will add these 10 pieces from this rope and 12 pieces from this rope, 15 pieces from this rope. Total pieces he got, that are total number of pieces. Total number of pieces, dear student, are 10 from the first, 12 from the second, and 15 from the third one. Add all these, you will get 5 plus 2, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 3, 37 pieces. Dear student, this is your final answer. I think you are understanding. Thanks for watching. Take care.